I need your help. Do you have an overactive mind and your hobbies change all the time and you never seem to finish them? Well, I do. So I need you guys to hold me responsible to finishing everything. You know, I've got all these books to read, but no, that's not enough for me. I've got so many projects on the go that I thought I'd share them with you. So let's start under here with the projects that I've got going. I've got so far this Airfix Guards Coloured Party, which I have started. I think they're in this one actually. Which, you know, yeah, they have started. I think some of these ones might have been finished. So I was thinking of doing all of these and then putting them in front of maybe doing a Buckingham Palace or something like that. I've been doing that one for a little while. This one, I'd love to do a diorama with this one. I've got so many Airfix models, Tamiya models that I really want to do, and like I said, it's just getting the time to do it, but I want you guys to hold me responsible. But this channel just won't be about just one hobby, because let's face it, my hobbies change so much. What ones have I had? I had surfing, wasn't any good at that. Golf, wasn't any good at that. What else have I had? Anyway, my partner says that, you know, I go through phases with hobbies. But yeah, I want to share my hobbies with you because they do help with my mental health, and that's what I want this channel to be about, is, you know, talking to you guys, dealing with my mental health, hopefully helping you guys with your mental health, going from there. So let me show you some of the other projects that I've got going. So I've had this brilliant idea, because they're always brilliant ideas when I start out, of doing Santa Claus and his reindeer sleigh. I think it's mini felting, so doing this one. I have started it, so yeah, I need to finish that one. It's in here somewhere actually. Let's have a look, see if we can find it. Ah, here it is. This is how far I got. I haven't been doing it for long, so yeah, let's show you how. So far I've got I think I've got 4 reindeers sort of doing. I've got the reindeers cut out, but I need to get on with it. But it's using a sewing machine. So this is my mum's room, and I think this is who I get my projects that I never finish off of, because she's exactly the same. So I've been using the sewing machine, which I haven't used in 20 years. So yeah, so that's one of the main projects I need to get done before Christmas. I think I might even have some knitting in here that I started at the beginning of the year somewhere that I need to finish as well. So maybe I should find that and get on with that as well. So in here are some more projects that I have started and not finished, and I'm desperate to, well, get them finished. And, you know, this is my messy workshop. Let me show you. This is a project that I am desperate to get finished. I'm trying to upcycle. It's an old cricket box. I have started it. Again, it's just finding time. This and the reindeer is the main projects that I want to get finished ASAP. It's, you know, I've got some wood here to make some sticks, walking sticks. I want to get that done. Some more furniture to upcycle, which I've had for ages. This chair, thinking of going black and then doing a new upholstery, you know, nice cushion with it, nice and bright. Over here, this big log at the back, it's drying out, and I want to make a mushroom, you know, carve a mushroom, a few other stuff I want to make a wooden mallet, stuff like that. So yeah, I've got all the tools and no idea, but this one here is one of my main projects that I want to get finished ASAP, and I need you guys to push me with it. And then if we go into the shed, you have to excuse the shed because it's very messy. So I think I got some old planes in here that were my dad's. Yep. These ones, they are all rusty, need sharpening, so I've got 4 or 5 of those that I want to do up, and, you know, stuff like that. Maybe one of my projects should be actually having a clean up of the shed. It's not my mess. It's not my mess, it's my dad's mess, but we'll clean it up for him anyway. So yeah, so I need to clean that up. Here are some of I did this one years ago, but you know, some of the Airfix models that I have fixed and finished. This one I think I did last year. I love this one. It's oh, it's come apart. But yeah, this one I love. Let me this one, yeah. This one I love. I've got a thing about Spitfires and World War II planes. I absolutely love them, and I'd love to do a diorama of a World War II airfield, so that could be another project. So yeah, we've got all sorts of projects going on in here. Yeah, it's not only projects, I've got some hikes that I want to do, you know, I want to do Southwest Coastal Path and stuff like that, and we're still showing you of our time travelling and stuff like that. But I just want to show you and talk to you guys really about some projects that I'm doing, what makes me happy, you know, if I'm having a good week, a bad week, you know, and just my journey and sharing it with you guys. Just really want to talk to you. So yeah, you know, I've got little man, Buster, that's a Cocker Spaniel. He's a project in himself. But yeah, we're gonna take him on long hikes, and I want to share those long hikes with you as well. So if you want to see more of what I get up to, please hit that subscribe button and click the like button so you can see more, and the bell so that you get notifications. And yeah, let's see which project I finish first. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.